What's up, traders? You are welcome to this pre-market analysis. Uh, Last week has just passed, and there were several opportunities, and I hope we caught something on our table. Yeah, as we know, forex it's one business, all right, or rather a skill set that is very, very difficult. But once you are grounded, you spend time, mastering your chart because that is the key. And you pay attention to every details on the chart. Pay attention to every little details you see as far as price action keeps printing and there are reference points. Pay attention. All right. And another point is anytime you want to place a trade, know what the market is doing at that point in time. If it's in a push phase, you should know. If it's in a retracement or a corrective phase, you should know as a trader. You don't just jump into in the middle of nowhere and you will now start crying that you've been stopped out. And at the end of the day, you see price action going to uh, the direction of where you already place your trade. But because you just hop in from nowhere, the price action will stock you out before it finally goes to the direction. All right. If you are new, as a normal norm, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important. This is the only way you can encourage me to keep releasing this information. All right. Like I said, I like to simplify things. I don't like to complicate things. All right. Because I know trading is not something that is that difficult, as it sounds. But once you know uh, your chart very well, structure, the smaller structure, the major structure, and you know what the market is doing at a particular time once you open your chart. Apart from that, you know when to stay away when the market is not really doing anything. Trade like professional, and you see that you'll be getting results. All right. And on a daily basis, don't just force trade. If the market is not clear, just forget about it. There are always opportunities. All right. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like the videos, and let us get into today's analysis, guy. Like I always tell ourselves, like I always tell us, rather, uh, you start from the higher time frame to do your top down analysis. All right, this is weekly chart. Like I told us before, weekly chart simply means the candle before one candle will finish printing is 1 week. It will take 1 week for a candle to finish printing. If it is on a daily chart, it will take a whole day before one candle will be fully printed, so on and so forth. So that being said, you can see, guys, learn how to trade with, using psychological level, or some people will call it evil handle or psychological numbers. That really works, guys. Please don't joke with it. And in anything you do, make sure that a structure is formed before you plot your Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, let's say for example, this one once price starts here, push up a little. All right, this retracement confirms that a structure has been formed. Then what you need to do is this is point A, point B, put the 0%, drag it here like this, and you see where does this retracement end. It broke down a little. This a deeper retracement from 61.8. It broke down a little up to 78.6. Then boom, You see the movement? So that is how it is. Negative 60, 68 points, negative 61.8. You see, this is where you take your profit. All right. So, guys, please, I want you guys to follow me and listen to me attentively. Now, this is where we stopped last week. You can see it was bullish all along. It got to this place, it found a resistance. Then you start to see a pullback. All right. What does that tell us? It's telling us that there are sellers in the market. Now, after you have marked all the evil numbers, any numbers that end with 000, at the right hand side, you should understand what I'm saying. Mark all the resistance and support levels. All right. When you are marking all those things, you discover that they coincide with every resistance and all the support levels in the chart. So, guys, do this so that you won't always have issues in trading. So, after you have done this, all right, we have been able to understand that right now you can see price move from here up to this point. Now the second one is a little, it closed a little lower. Then you see the third one, you look at it, it closed even more lower. All right, that tells us that there are sellers in the market. Then you scale down to your daily chart because we are most of us are intraday trader. Well, we do intraday trading. All right. So what does that mean? You enter the market before the close of business or before the close of a section, you close your trade. That is how it is. All right. Now you can see, and I want us to understand one thing, guys. This is a whole structure move. This is a whole move from this down to the up. Complete move. This is complete move. All right. Now, one thing we should know is that this major structure is a higher time frame. Now, anywhere you see a retracement, these are the smaller time frame. All right. If is this is a major move, weekly move, then when you see a retracement like this, all right, a retracement signifies a minor structure. When there is a whole move, that is a major structure. But when there's a retracement, all right, let me just make it simple like this. A push face is a higher time frame. A retracement is a lower time frame. Get it? That is done, settled. A push face, all right, is what? Higher time frame. A retracement, when you are observing a retracement or a pullback or a corrective phase, all right, that is a smaller time frame, guys. If you are on a weekly chart, anytime you are seeing a push phase, when the weekly chart is pushing, when there's a push phase, all right, that is a higher time frame. Anytime you are seeing a pullback, lower time frame. Are we clear on that? All right, let's move on. Now, once you see this push phase is complete, like I told us, we have point A, point B, then the market is ready, it will make a pullback. Once there's a pullback, once the pullback is complete, then you now see another push up to the or push to the upside. That push to the upside, which is the major structure, will break a structure. Now there's a push phase, a swing high. Now followed by a retracement. Then the retracement. Now once the retracement is complete, there will be a push phase again that will now break this swing high. All right. Once a swing high is formed, bring out your fib retracement tool, plot from 100 to 0, and you see 78.6. This is where you found support. Then you can now see another push phase. So guys, if you remove this fib again, all right, I want us to really grab it. Where there's a push back, where there's a retracement, put the second leg here again, put your fib here again. This is a swing. I put the 100%, 0%. You see the pullback, what happened? 61.80. Guys, fib is everything. If you don't know how to use fib, please go and dig out my video inside my YouTube channel and watch it over and over again so that you can know how to use fib. With fib, you won't have. You can even use fib to trade the retracement, even to trade the push phase. Anyone, when the market is about to, when the price action is about to make a retracement, you just plot your fib and you enter. You know where to take your anything from 50% down. You take your profit. All right. You wait for market to be ready. You join the push phase again. So that is how to trade. Now that we have, you see that this swing high, the last swing, the last swing high here, you see it ends at 1.1200, right? Now you now start to see deceleration. All right. We now start to see deceleration and it got here, then a structure is formed. All you now need to do is this is telling us that we are coming down. You plot your fib from up from the top, all right, from the top to this swing low. All right, swing, put it to plot it from the top to this swing low. Now at this point you will now start to plot from the top. If you are bullish, you plot from this the swing low to the swing high. If you are bearish, you plot from the swing high to the swing low. Now this is a swing high, this is a swing low. All right, because the trend has changed. All right. How did we know that the trend has changed? You can see the swing high. This guy here is telling us the last bullish candle here is what we refer to what as sell to buy. All right, this is sell to buy. We are now reversing. We are bearish now. All right, now a structure is about to form because this is a swing low. All right, then a pullback. Where does it find a retracement? What does it? Where does it find a support right now? It finds a support at this evil handle 1.11500. Look at it, guys. He found a resistance here. You can see that there are sellers in the market, even though there's a little pullback before the market closed on Friday. What we should be expecting now, as soon as market opens, is for this guy to push a little down. Now, the obstacle that is here is this 1.10081 because it is a psychological level and it's an evil number. How do we know that there will be a little challenge here? Because a resistance now turns to a support. All right. So we are expecting price action to react once it gets to this point. All right. We are expecting price action to react once it gets to this point. Even though there is a reaction, what will happen is it will come up a little. It cannot break this structure. It won't break this structure because for this downtrend to continue, this guy here needs to break this structure. It needs to come and break this structure. Once this structure is broken down, that means bearish trend is established. So we just need to wait patiently, all right, as we plot our fib here, wait for price to be ready. If price is not ready, it's not ready. You now that you have plot your fib, you just hold on and watch what will happen, because before market closed on Friday, you see that even buyers are also in the market. In as much as sellers has rejected it, buyers are still in the market. So watch what will happen. If there's any reaction, market it can come back. It can become bullish, come back a little to interact again with this point, you can come back again to interact a little before it will now break structure down. But guys, don't be greedy. Your take profit should be this very point, 1.09500. Use that as your take profit, first take profit, first take profit, first take profit. All right, 1.09500. Why? Because there is a resistance here. There's a resistance here, and there is a resistance here. All right. So there's a challenge here. If price gets to this place, it will react. So if you want to just catch, you know, some pips very fast, as soon as market opens, you just wait for you to get the direction of where the price action will go before you place your entry. But make sure your take profit level is not below this 61.8%. All right, because once price action gets to this place, there will be a reaction. All right, as soon as it breaks this structure low, just know that all these ones will go. But when price will get to this place, we don't know. We know that, okay, once this strong low is taken, once a strong low is taken, then the rest will go. So that is how when price action is bullish, all right, the low is always strong. All right, the swing low is what we refer as a strong low. All right, the swing high we refer to it as a weak high, because for that trend to continue, price action will continue to break that structure up until it finds a support, until it finds a resistance, and it will now start to experience change of trend. And as soon as trend change, it will start coming down. All right, price action will now start coming down to continue to break uh, the strong low. And once a strong low is broken, be rest assured that the rest will keep giving way. All right. Once one of the strong low is broken, the rest will continue to give way. All right. So you guys wait for price to be ready. One thing about trading is that if price is not ready, it's not ready. At this point, there is nothing like, even if you see a rejection here, there is no formation that is telling you to pull the trigger yet. I personally will not enter, because there is no formation. All right, there is no any formation right here that is telling me that price is ready. So watch out, guys. Price is not ready. Be patient for price to be ready. Now that you have plot your fib, all right, you have plot your fib. Okay, you have plot your fib like this. Okay, you just wait for price to be ready. Price is not ready. Even though you are seeing a rejection here, but wait for price to be ready. I am seeing a reaction, a little reaction before there will be a formation for price to tell you, okay, he wants to come down to break structure down. Remember, this is your take profit level, and the second one, this is your take profit level. All right. Thank you guys. Enjoy another beautiful week. Make sure you share my video. God bless you.